Sanibonani, igama lami nguThula Mkhwanazi, ngiyi-Regional Manager waka-SEFA in KZN. SEFA is a small finance enterprise agency or agency ka-Department of Small Business. Our role is to finance small businesses. So, business masethole enomsebenzi noma abantu bafuna uqala ibhizinisi bafuna ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi abo ithina ke lapho kufanele banqoze umnyango wethu ukuthi sikwazi ukubasiza kwa-SEFA sifinance across the board ama-businesses operator e-township operator emadolobheni nakuphi nakuphi siqala ukufinance from 50,000 siya 15 million. Silapha ngoba i-role yethu ukufinance as a DFI, which is a developmental financial institution, sizokhuluma ngosomabhizinisi ukuthi ama-opportunities e-funding are available through an agency kahulumeni. Lapho thina indima yethu sidlale namhlanje lana. Sila ekhaya and kuthi breakfast ngoba sibonile ukuthi ukuba khona kwethu kuzosiza somabhizinisi bakwazi ukulinka nathi as SEFA bakwazi ukuthola ukuthi yini nani enye abangasizakala ngayo, and also nathi futhi ukubona osomabhizinisi idingo zabo abakhona lana, because part of i-engagement namhlanje ikhuluma ngokconnecta. So there's an opportunity for us to connect with our target audience, and also the target audience to connect with us, and also for entrepreneurs to network and learn from each other, and also learn from what is happening around them. Other businesses, what sort of experiences have others gone through, and those shared experiences also groom and grow our businesses. We are passionate about supporting small business as SEFA, and also under the Ministry of Department of Small Businesses, we continue to support our businesses, and we look forward to participate further for breakfasts, and then also assist further more businesses as they grow.